So you might be wondering how long it takes to install these systems, Powerwall batteries, PV on my roof. Obviously it depends on the amount of equipment that's being installed, but it's very usual for us to be able to complete pretty much most systems in just 2 days. If it's something like 6 to 16 panels, it could very well be done in a day. And it's not unusual for us to take just a day to install a Tesla Powerwall. Obviously, if you're combining these things together, it can run into a couple. But the level of disruption to you is very, very minimal. The equipment is often deployed into a garage or even on external walls. I'm talking about the batteries there. And with the PV itself, whether it's in roof, over roof, even if it's slate, which does require some extra flashings and a little bit more care. So yeah, 1 or 2 days for a typical install is entirely normal, and we will leave you with a system that's completely up and running and delivering from the moment we commission it.
JPS Energy, there for the journey.